Does being in a cook group help sneakerheads in copying the latest sneaker releases? Say you really want a hype pair of shoes, but they're always out of stock and hard to purchase. A cook group can be a great solution because they provide all the resources you wouldn't have otherwise to both not miss drops and also be as fast as possible when checking out. The groups will provide you with release guides, sneaker monitors, bot flips, backdoor services, discounts, reselling opportunities, and many more other benefits. Being in a cook group highly increases your chances of purchasing that pair of shoes as a result. You get the product you want for its retail price. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our cook group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our cook group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. But what is a cook group? Why should we join one? And how to select the best cook group for sneaker reselling? What is a cook group? A cook group is an online community, a server created within Discord that you gain membership to. They share exclusive, helpful information to its members about high-demand products that can be bought and resold, such as sneakers, streetwear, and other collectibles. The purpose of a cook group is to help people to be able to buy the products they want more easily at retail prices. Typically, cook group memberships are paid due to the services they offer. Most cook groups have features such as restock monitors, raffle links, a live chat, and time-sensitive community alerts. This exclusive information is extremely helpful during drops and gives its members a huge advantage. They also offer support for botters like how to set up and troubleshoot before or after drops. Reasons to join a cook group. Let's say you got the shoe you wanted. Take it a step further. You want to recoup the money you spent on the shoe. The cook group you joined is a great resource. Reselling is an incredible way to make some side money or even a living once you get good at it. The key to reselling and doing it profitably is to purchase items that sell for more than what you purchased them for. So pretend you continue to follow your cook group's calls on shoes and end up getting another one. You can sell the second one and completely make back what you spent on the first one. You can continue this process with other resellable items, and this pattern can escalate quickly. Soon you'll find yourself making hundreds of thousands of extra dollars. Cook groups will partner with bots, proxies, apps, and brands to provide their members with advantage via discounted rates and exclusive purchasing opportunities. Having access to these things gives members a leg up on the competition in terms of tools, knowledge, and strategy. There are two main types of people who want to join a cook group. Some people simply just want high-demand items, and some solely want to just resell. No matter the reason you join a cook group, these are the fundamentals of being in one. They've got all the tools you need to get what you want out of it. How to pick the right cook group. Picking the right cook group can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. First, you want to determine the features you like out of the cook group. For example, you may want access to specific stock monitors. Maybe you like botting and need a group that will provide setup guides. Or maybe you're looking for the most entertaining community. Consider pricing. You may have a certain budget that you need to stay within. Many cook groups range from $60 to $100 a month. Others can be very inexpensive or even free. Free cook groups are convenient but usually offer a lot less in terms of features and exclusive tools. Also, consider the size of the community. Some cook groups are large with lots of people but little one-on-one support. Others are small and offer a more hands-on approach. Or sometimes a medium mix between the two is best. If you become a member of BrickRadar, figuring out which sneakers are good brick flips can be very easy, as you always get notified when to buy which shoe and when it is the right time to sell for maximum profits. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.